Pala siya tanchina. It's my kufal. It's been 2 weeks since I last uploaded, or 2 weeks that I missed, and I'm sorry for that. That's what kufal means, or kufal I'm sorry. I had an AP test, and then things got a little crazy, but I'm back. I should be posting more regularly, and I shouldn't be having any more random disappearances. You're very far up. Not really, you're just about like a heads above me. Today I want to talk about ON endings and numbers. So these are the ON endings. I'll be using Xeron for the example, and hopefully I'll have something up here. Anyway, first we have just the infinitive, Xeron, which means to allow. I've learned how to edit. Future me is gonna hate me. So then we have Ich xero, tu xeros. Oh, this is okay. Fool or xeref. That's a new one. Xeref. Editing me. Why'd you make that image so big? I feel like I'm a crazy person talking to me in a public space. So this is the sound, or So you can either make this xeref. Oh, thank you for making it smaller this time. You could have done it the first time editing me. Xeref. You can say it as in like as in good, or you can say it like and then round your lips. So xeref or xeref. I made my outfit nice today. I should be showing it off. It's simple. On your mixed mix or other word. And then we have Cosa Xeron. Same thing, same ordeal. You just keep it in the infinitive for the first person plural inclusive. Then we have Krit Xeroi. Krit Xeroi. Editing me should put a box here with the word. I look like a crazy person recording this. The command version is Xerogi, so it's just Ogi. Probably like right here, I guess, or somewhere. Xerogi, over here. It's over here, I think. In this, the word is here. It somewhere. I'm really good at this. Moving on to numbers. Numbers. Ooh, pretty numbers. Wow. Yeah. Ani, zwei, ja, sech, and sound. Whenever I say it fast, people keep thinking I say sound. I'm not saying sound. And then we have which is 0. Oh, here we go. To form anything above 10, so like 11, 12, 13, 14, or whatnot. Well, let's start with the teens. You just say Sam, and then you put like a little at the end. Sam, and then the number you want to say. So Sam 2. For 11, since like Sam Ani, it's just 2 vowels after another that are really similar. You just say Samani, so 10-1. Same with Oche, so Samoche, it's just 10-8. Then to do anything like above that, so like say 30, you say 3, 10, and then the number you want, like the 10 with the little at the end, and the number you want, like the ones place. So Yaf Tsama Yaf, Yaf Tsama Yaf, that's 33. Yaf Tsama Yaf. It's really fun to say, actually. There is one exception to this relatively standard like system, which is the 20s, which I have right here. Ooh, that's because Sve town, it's just really two right after each other. It kind of is hard. It's kind of uncomfortable to say, so it's Sve town. That Sve town, Sve town, just Sve town. Yeah, maybe I'll have it here. I don't know. Maybe I'm pointing to the air and I look like a crazy person. On to Numbers Volume 2, the ordinals. I'm also talking about the suffix unts, which is equivalent to like the suffix in English, kind of like maker, baker, doer, or like the ist, like arborist, linguist. That's such a fun word, linguist. Just rolls off the tongue. But you just kind of add that to the end of a number. If the number has like a vowel at the end, they do kind of merge. So like oche, like that's 8. Ochans, you just say ochans, or zwei, say zwanz. Oh, that's how you say a word in German. Yeah. But there is one exception to this. Again, there's always exceptions to everything. The word for first is actually drashans, which comes from the word drashnat, which means to start or to begin. So it's actually more like beginner or starter, if you know what I mean. Thank you for coming to Ikrel lesson 5. There's 5 of these now. I didn't think I'd ever even make one, so I'm getting somewhere. I haven't seen anyone while recording so far, and I'm really happy for that, because I don't want to have that interaction. I don't like being perceived by people. Yeah. Sorry for the 2 weeks. As I said earlier, I had an AP test, and then I had a lot of busy schoolwork. I still do. A lot of busy schoolwork. I'm recording this in detriment to my grades. I also can't wear a pouch without showing what I'm wearing in the, or like have in the pouch. I have a bunch of books. So we have, first off, we have this one that I got several years ago. It's actually not really a book. It's actually just a sticky notepad that I like to do little drawings on. So I have that in the pouch. Then I have this little gremlin looking sticker bomb book, which I just made recently actually. And this is for all of the languages I have, for any last little discordant thought. This first one is deskos, which I talked about in the last lesson, actually. In the pouch. I have this, which says Vastari Kuzda, which means Vastari journey, and it's documenting, or it's kind of like a documentary of me learning how to make instruments, because there's this one instrument that I have in my head that belongs to the world that speaks Ikrel, and it's a Vastari. It looks kind of like this. My drawing skills are not good. But yeah, I have that in the pouch. Boom. Then I have 2 blank books. This seafoam green one, it looks way more vibrant on the camera than it does in real life. It's very pale in real life. This is just people in each of the languages that I have so far. It is blank, but this is for drawing people in the little world that speaks these languages. And if you want to know how to say these, this is Takrena, this is Guerra, and this is Kareli. Personally, I like Ikrali. Like, it looks the prettiest out of all these, in my opinion, and it's related. It's a sister language to Ikrel. They actually both get their names from the same word, as well as these words from the same word, which I thought was pretty cool. Then I don't know why I decided to show you guys this red one. This is also blank, but this is for practicing making money by drawing. Then we have a key for Discos, because I haven't memorized it yet. I can't write it like second nature, which is sad, but I will eventually. Hopefully one day I'll be able to write all of them just without having to check anything, which will be really cool. Yeah, that's what I have in my little pouch. I've been wearing this recently. It's summertime, so I have more belt pouches. Fun. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching again. Tell me what I should do in the next lesson, or even if I should do a lesson next week, or like try to do something else. Please comment. I am desperate for the algorithm to actually see my videos, maybe. I'm joking, I don't really care if this gets anywhere. But yeah, the main thing is that you have a good day, and so I'm wishing you a good day. Bekor. Ich defe, Serif. Gelazo.